Hello friends, two line subtractions. This is ones line, this is tens line. Okay friends, 85 minus 43. First ones line, 5 minus 3. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Next 3. 1, 2, 3. Cut. Remain of 1, 2. Middle 2 friends. Yes. Next tens line, 8 minus 4. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Minus 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Remain of 4 friends. 1, 2, 3, 4. 4. 85 minus 43 is equal to 42. Okay friends?